Bali is truly a magical island. This is what makes Bali called Island of God. The Balinese people call it Pulau Dewata. Bali has been the most favorite tourism place in the world for a long time. According to TripAdvisor, Bali is the second best destination in the world. In the last 5 years, Bali experienced many repeat developments in infrastructure and tourism sectors. In 2023, there are 14.8 million tourists visiting Bali. It is 144% increase over 2022 after pandemic COVID era. With the number of tourists continuing to increase, of course, Bali is the right area to invest. Especially for the hotel and accommodation business, contact us immediately if you want to get more complete information regarding property investment in Bali.